Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to screen mirror your Redmi Note 14 to your smart TV. So I'm using the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, but the same steps should apply for the other Redmi Note 14 phones. Now, first things first, ensure that both your phone and your TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So let me just unlock my phone and ensure that I'm connected to the same Wi-Fi network as on my TV. So this is the Wi-Fi network. And then on your smart TV, all you have to do is go to the settings and then go to your Wi-Fi network, Wi-Fi settings, and ensure that they are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So as you can see, mine is connected to the Tender gaming room, similar to what my phone is connected to. Now, once you have confirmed that you're connected to the same Wi-Fi network, all you have to do is on your Redmi Note 14 Pro or Note 14, go to the settings. And then within the settings, scroll down and select the more connectivity options. Here it is, tap on it. And then from the settings, all you have to do is select cast. So select that. And then all you have to do is enable that feature. So tap on the toggle switch icon to enable it, and then it will start scanning for any nearby devices. Now, as you can see, my TV has been discovered. So all I have to do is simply tap on it. So tap on it, then give it a few seconds. And after a few seconds, you should notice a notification on your TV. So all you have to do is simply select allow, and your phone will try to connect to the TV. So give it a few seconds. So as you can see, it's tried to connect to my phone. So let's give it a few seconds. And there you go. You can now see my TV is casted on the right side of your screen. So once it's connected, or you can simply increase the screen for your TV. So on your remote, simply select it, and then you should see the options appear at the bottom. So you can either choose to maximize screen size, picture in picture, or full screen. So I can select full screen, and then you should see the changes. And now you can see my phone has been casted on the screen. So you can now go through your stuff on your phone, and it will be mirrored on your screen. So that's basically it on how to screen mirror your Redmi Note 14 on a smart TV. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.